Hey guys, this is Muda and you are watching Tech Surge, and in this video I will unbox and review Powers Loop Pocket Bluetooth speaker. So before we get started, if you are new to the channel, then do subscribe us and press the bell notification icon to get notified every time I post a new video. So now that you have done that, let's get started. So first of all, thanks to Powers for sending us this product for review. Now let us talk about the specifications mentioned on the box. So it is available in two color variants, red and black, and this one is in red color. It has a lithium ion battery. It is a wireless Bluetooth speaker. It has TF card player. The rated power is 3 watt. Frequency range is 80 Hz to 24,000 Hz. It has auxiliary support. The battery life is up to 8 hours. And the power voltage is DC 5 volt. Also, it is compatible with all audio devices. The price mentioned on the back of the box is 1799, but it is available for 1200 rupees on their website. Now let's unbox this and see what we get inside it. So opening up the box, first we have the user manual. Then we get the micro USB to USB charging cable. And at the last we get the speaker itself. Now let us talk about the design and build quality of it. So it has a matte rubber finish and the front grille is made of aluminium. At the back it has this vent to reduce distortion along with the 4 ports. First we have this micro USB port for charging. Then we get the USB port for pen drives. Then we have this SD card slot. And at the last we get an aux port. So the speaker feels quite good in hand and overall the build quality is great. Now let's see how you can connect the speaker with your phone. So first of all, open Bluetooth in your device. Now long press this button to power on the speaker. Now click on Powers Loop and your device is paired with the speaker. Now let's see how you can control the music through the speaker. So click on this play button to play and pause the music. Long pressing the plus button will increase the volume, while long pressing the minus button will decrease it. Press the plus button to move to the next song, while press the minus button to move to the previous one. Now let's talk about the battery. So it has a 1200 mAh battery which takes 3 to 4 hours to fully charge, and the battery backup at 50% volume is around 8 hours, while at full volume it lasts for 4 to 5 hours. Now let's do a sound test of the speaker. Now let us talk about the main thing, which is the sound quality of the speaker. So the bass is not very deep, but still it is good. The treble is good, highs and lows are also good, and the vocals are clear. So overall it has a very well balanced audio output, but since it is a 3 watt speaker, the audio output is not very loud. Now let us talk about the connectivity of the speaker. So it has a faster connectivity as it has Bluetooth version 5.0. The transmission range is 10 meters. Now let us talk about some more features of the Bluetooth speaker. So it has USB port, that means you can play music through pen drives as well. Also you can use the USB port to charge small audio devices. Now the speaker also has a built-in microphone, that means you can answer and receive calls from the speaker only. The sound quality of mic is decent. Also the latency is not very high. Now should you buy this or not? So if you are a bass head and you need a speaker with a very loud sound output, then I will not recommend this to you. But if you want a speaker with a well balanced audio output for watching movies, listening music, also at its price it offers various additional features like it has built-in microphone and there are various ports to play music with. So definitely you can consider this. So if you want to buy this, you can go to the website of Powers, which is given down below in the description section. So that's it in the video. If you have any queries, do comment it down below, and if you enjoyed the video, then do give this video a like and do subscribe us for more awesome videos. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.